Trimurti is approachable, accessible. Nam Perumal. Whoever you are, but you have a deity with you, right? And you can call him as Nam Perumal, my Perumal, my Lord. Actually, Nam Perumal is a fixed name to the procession deity of Lord Ranganatha. He is called Namberumal. There also you can see, and even with our own home deity, with our own personal deity, we can clearly experience all these qualities. We can enjoy them there. How the Namberumal in Srirangam looks like? Tirukkaile Piditha Divyayudhangalam. He is holding Sankam, Chakram, Gada, Khadgam. With all these things, then he gives you a confidence. It's not that he needs all these weapons with him. No, he doesn't need any weapon, to do things. Then unfortunately, Hanuman was given a Gada. And the real Hanuman was not having any Gada with him. Because why he needs a Gada? If he gives a punch, that's enough, the other guy gone. Maybe he is a Lankini. Why not? And he had got nails and teeth. Danta Nakha Ayudhas, they're called as Danta Nakha Ayudhas. For Vanaras, their teeth and nails are only their weapons. They don't need any other thing. If at all they need, they take a big stone or they pull out a tree and then they fight. That's enough. But they thought, because people nowadays became very nature conscious, so they don't want the stones to be disturbed and they don't want trees to be disturbed, so they gave gadas to each of the Vanaras. Just use them in our movies, but in Ramayana they never used any weapons at all. Okay, so even for God also no weapons are required, but he holds them for us to create a confidence. That's all. We are so little guys, unless we feel, we don't understand. I think you must have seen your own children. Though you are feeding, your baby thinks that I have to take it with my hand. If at all the baby takes with his hand, how much comes into the hand? Only, just a couple of grains. More than that, the hand won't accommodate. But still the baby thinks, I have to take. That is their attitude. But you know how to feed the babies, right? They feel so because they are very little. I think that is the way we feel also. We think unless we say, God doesn't know. Unless he possesses a weapon, then he will not say. He may not be able to save us. Okay, if you want that, do. If baby wants, then you give just a few grains in her hand also. And you give the tirtham also. But the moment the hand reaches, everything goes down. But it is their satisfaction. Mother satisfies the babies. So also God does it. So, Tirukkaile Piditha Divyayudhangalum, why Tanjala Nakayum, no fear, I am here for you. So he shows Abhayahasta. Kavitha Mudiyum, to show his Swamitva, he wears a crown. Muhamum, a beautiful moon like the face. Muruvalum, a bewitching smile as if it is calling us. Asana Padmattile Avruttine Tiruvadigalumai Nirkiranilai. And he kept his lotus feet in another lotus. Feet itself is a lotus, and support is another lotus. And he shows those feet to us, saying, approach these feet and no fear. I am always there for you. Hold Sankam and Chakram and so many other things. All these are just for us. That's how he is holding all these things. This is the real protection to all of us. There are two qualities, Rakshakatvam and Bhogyatvam. Both we can see in his divine form. Rakshakatvam is protection. Bhogyatvam is beauty. See, if something protects and it doesn't look good, you can't accept. Something looks very good but never protects, still you can't accept it. So we need both Rakshakatvam and Bhogyatvam. So with him both are there. With the worldly people, there may be bhogyatvam, but there may not be any real protection from these guys, When the real thing comes, the god of death, and who will protect us here from this world? Even doctors, they keep watching, that's all they can do. So we need both. So Rakshakatvam is there with him, and also the divine beautiful form is there with us, so which attracts and then protects. We give an example like a capsule, We like a beautiful form to see, but doctor needs a nice medicine to be given. So they found capsules. Real medicine kept inside, and beautiful placebo was organized on the outside, and they made a capsule, just gave it. You see the capsule, my God, come on, just eat it, and that goes waste, and the real medicine works for you. So both are there in him, in the Archa Murti. So you decorate him any way you like, but have faith that protects you. And then such a form where to approach Charanavu, Tiruvadigalai, you need to approach his lotus feet. And there he said, Charanavu, this is what we have to remember. Charanavu means 2 feet, not 3 feet, not 4 feet, only 2 feet. Why they said 2 feet? Why they used the dual number, not singular nor plural? That means when you are approaching him as the means, it's only 2. Only through him you need to get the rakshana, legal protection. Their mother also will not be there. She also will not take a role in protection activity. She takes us to him, but protection he only has to do. There is a difference between the Vadagalai and Tengalai here. There they say that mother also becomes a part in protection. Then the Charana will not go there. Then it's not Charana, it should be Charanaha. Right? It should be in plural number. But the mantra, no, that's why to avoid that only they said Charanavu. No, then that becomes plural. You take either his or her, that's okay. But here the word is Narayana Charanav, not Sri Charanav. Narayana Charanav. And you can see that in Melkote, in the Charanav there is Sri. In other places you won't see this. Dvaya mantra can be experienced in Melkote, in Karnataka. There the Lord is standing, and Mahalakshmi is at his in between the feet. Sriman Narayana Charanav. That means with the Charanav, Sri is also there. So you can interpret as Sri Charanav or Sriman Tau Charanav or Narayana Charanav. So feet are Lord's Narayanas only, but they are with Sri. In other places, Sri will be in the Vakshasthala or somewhere sitting next to him. Only Charanav we can see, but here in Melkote, it is the other way around. Sri is also there. In between, we can find the Sri there.
Why is she there from?
And there is a story. There is a story. So we need not go to the story now. But what it says, that is what you need to understand. The beauty of the feet, that's what you have to experience. Seti Aragayyum. See how they match with each other in protecting the souls. Upaya Purti. That means in becoming means to you to save from this mundane world, from the clutches of this ego. I think they are quite fit enough. Because they are magnified, or they are energized, or they have been, what we can say, they have with a touch of Lakshmi, they have been rejuvenated. Yes, we can say that they have been rejuvenated, or the other qualities have been washed out and they are purified to protect us. The beauty of the feet is something like this. What the Acharya says in a very nice Pausuram. Alvar said in Pausuram, and that is what the Pidalokacharya Swami is saying. When once you are surrendered to his lotus feet, when you caught hold of the feet, even if he doesn't want you, okay, even if the mother doesn't want you, still the feet won't leave you. Seems. Because the feet have their own power, their own impact. That is the greatness of the feet. So hold the feet, don't hold his hand. Shaking hand is not our business. Our business is to catch hold of the feet. What happens if at all he wants to leave? When you hold the feet, he will fall down. Holding feet is always, safe. And neither he can escape nor she can escape, That's why, in a funny way they say, Piratiyum avanum vidilum Tiruvadigal vidadu. Even though mother and himself also, they don't want us to accept, still the lotus feet will never leave us, because Tin kadal ay irukkum. The feet are so strong in saving us. So surrender to the feet. That's what it says. And then they say, Seshi pakkal sesha bhutan ijiyum turai. When you are a servant, when you are a devotee of the Lord, and the place for you to approach is his lotus feet only. The example, he has given a beautiful one. Prajai mulaile vaikuma pole. As a little baby approaches the breast of the mother for her food, no other part of the body. And same for the devotee also, from the lotus feet of the Lord. Ital Piratikku iripidamai. The lotus feet are like place of mother, Guna Prakasamamai, magnifying the divine qualities of the Lord to save us. Where did you say? Sisupalanayum agappada chertikollum thirumeniyai nenakkirathu. By saying the Charanav, it implies that he had a beautiful form and which you can meditate upon. What it did, it accepted even the worst of the sinners like Sisupala. And who will be the worst sinner than Sisupala? Can you tell me? But the wonder is, even he reached his feet. The moment when Krishna, just left his Sudarshan Chakram, the soul of the Sisupala as a light came and merged in the feet of Lord Sri Krishna. Accepting Sisupala, don't you think it's the greatest thing? The worst person, he never let a minute go without hating Krishna. Even such a person was accepted by him. How great God is. Of course, our Acharya said a reason. There is a reason, it seems. You know what the reason is? The people who hate God, if God kills them, they again born. And while they take the second birth, they become still more powerful. When they take the third birth, they become still powerful. Just like the mosquitoes, When you use the 5 ml of some chemical, and then the mosquitoes get used to that, and again when they come back, the 5 ml will not work on them. Then you have to use 10 ml. Then they get used, and then you have to use 20 ml. Then when they come back, then you have to use 50 ml. Right? Like that, even the demons also become like that. So, if he keeps on just killing them and sending them to hell, and when they're coming back, they become more and more powerful. So probably Krishna thought, I should not send him to hell anymore.